This grandma put $500,000 in gold. It's gone. This is everyone's worst nightmare. Here's what happened. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click the link in the description. Money Metals is giving away 20 American Silver Eagles every month. They're holding this contest. Every month. Click that link. It's free. Get in on that contest. Now, we all think that gold is going to be the safe haven that is untouchable. It's something that we are, just like silver, we could hold it in our hand and it's ours. No one's coming to get it. Here's what happened. This elderly woman, she's in her 70s. She gets a phone call, and this was not from some foreign prince in an African country. It wasn't that kind of scam. These people claimed to be from a federal agency. Very believable. And spun some narrative about her social security number and the only way that her savings can be really protected is to change all of these moving pieces. It was very believable, clearly, because what they convinced her to do, check this out, they convinced her to purchase $500,000, $500,000 in gold. Now, for you and I as stackers, silver stackers, you and I, regular people that can't even afford 1 ounce of gold at today's rate, $500,000 in gold sounds like the dream. And it does sound very safe. Of course, it sounds very safe. So she does this. She purchases $500,000 in gold. And she's supposed to have this kind of handoff where she takes the $500,000 in gold and she hands it off to this person who's scamming her, impersonating a federal agent. That's what happens. And it goes through. She hands over all of this gold. And of course, the scammers take off. It's gone. Her savings, all of that gold, someone has it. It's gone. It's really frightening to think that in this day and age, someone can call you on your phone. This was a phone call. This was not an email. This wasn't something that comes into your spam box. This was a phone call. Very believable. So we really need to watch out for this. And for you and I, regular people who are not at retirement age and who do not even have $500,000 to get burned out of, we still need to watch out really closely. Click that link, get that silver. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. I love this contest. 20 American Silver Eagles are giving it away. You should be the next name on that list. I'll see you in the next video.